Good morning, class 7. Hi, how are you doing? All getting ready for Diwali and Chhat Puja. So, advance happy Diwali. And today we are on SSC, chapter 6 of Geography, Weather and Climate. After that, we have water, natural vegetation, wildlife, human environment, life in tropical and subtropical regions. So, we have to finish that. So, weather and climate we'll do today. So I'll just give the brief explanation. Reading you have to do yourself. I doing the reading here, I won't know that you are there or not. So it's better I do the explanation and you do the reading and the homework. Okay. So let's start without wasting time. Our atmosphere is surrounded by a huge blanket of air called atmosphere. The composition of this atmosphere is nitrogen and oxygen are the two gases that make up the bulk of the atmosphere. Whereas there is carbon dioxide and everything else is there. Helium, ozone, argon, hydrogen are found lesser quantities. Apart from these gases, tiny dust particles are also in the air. We know that. Now, what is the weather and the climate? Weather is an hour to hour, day to day condition of the atmosphere. Climate is the weather conditions for a large period and of a large area. Temperature, degrees of hotness and coldness of air is called the temperature. The temperature of the atmosphere changes not only between day and night but also from season to season. An important factor that influences the distribution of temperature is insolation. Insolation is the incoming solar energy intercepted by the earth, which comes from the sun. The amount of insolation decreases from the equator towards the poles. Temperature is measured in Celsius and Fahrenheit by a thermometer. Then we have air pressure. I am giving you the basic points, then after that I am coming to it. Air pressure is defined as the pressure exerted by the weight of the air on the earth's surface. Horizontally, the distribution of air pressure is influenced by the temperature of the air at a given place. In areas having lower temperature, the air is cold. The air always moves from high pressure areas to lower pressure areas. Then we have the wind. The movement of this air from high pressure areas to low pressure areas is called wind. Winds can be broadly divided into three types: permanent winds, seasonal wind and local winds. On 24th October 1999, cyclonic winds originated as depression and affected Odisha, killing thousands of people. The Erisama had happened. Moisture: when water evaporates from the land and other water bodies, it becomes water vapor. Moisture in the air at any time is known as humidity. When the water vapor rises, it starts cooling. The water vapor condenses, causing the formation of droplets of water. When these droplets become too heavy to float in the air, they come down as precipitation. Precipitation is the falling of moisture in the form of rainfall, snow, fog, sleet, and hailstones. On the basis mechanism, there are three types of rainfall: convectional, orographic rainfall, and cyclonic rainfall. Rainfall is very important for the survival of plants and animals. And the atmosphere is a blanket of air that surrounds the earth. It protects us from the harmful rays of the sun. As I said, it contains nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide, helium, ozone, argon, hydrogen. Nitrogen is important for plant survival, depends on this gas. Their survival depends on this gas. Oxygen is important for us and humans and animals. We breathe oxygen produced by green plants during photosynthesis. Now, green plants take carbon dioxide, which is released by humans and animals. Thus, there is a mutual relation between the plants and the humans or animals. Hence, we should protect plants and trees for our own benefit. We have the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. We all know that. Okay? The temperature of atmosphere remains changing. The degree of hotness and coldness of the air is known as temperature. Insolation is the important factor depends upon the distribution of temperature. The amount of insolation decreases from the equator towards the poles. That's what I told you. Therefore, the temperature decreases the same way. Air above us presses us from all directions with great force on our body, and our body exerts a counter pressure. And air pressure is the exerted by the weight of air on the earth's surface. As we go up the layers of atmosphere, the pressure falls rapidly, becomes less. Low pressure is associated with cloudy skies and wet weather. High pressure is associated with clear and sunny skies. The air always moves from high pressure area to low pressure area. Wind is the movement of air from high pressure to low pressure area. Wind may be gentle at times, it may be strong or may be devastating. Winds are three types: permanent, seasonal and local, I told you. Moisture means humidity. A humid day is when the air is in the fall of water vapor. On a humid day, clothes take longer to dry and sweat from our body does not evaporate easily. Clouds are masses of water droplets. When these droplets of water become very heavy, they come down as precipitation. Precipitation that comes down to the earth in liquid form is called the rain. There are three types of rain on the basic mechanism: the convectional, the orographic rainfall and cyclonic rainfall. Okay? Global warming: when the temperature of the earth's atmosphere increases due to increase in carbon dioxide, is known as global warming. Weather I told you, climate I told you, temperature I told you, isolation, air pressure, wind, moisture, humidity, cloud, precipitation. Thermometer is an instrument to measure temperature. Barometer, it measures atmospheric pressure. Rain gauge, it measures the amount of rainfall. Wind vane, it shows the direction of the wind. Basic information I gave you about this chapter. You are going to read, go through it and do the question answers. Even if it's wrong, don't worry. If the question answers are wrong, even don't worry. You write, I want you to write. Read and write. Rest I'll take care of it. I'll do the checking and I'll give you the feedbacks. Where you are wrong, what is to be written, how is to be written. Okay? Take care. Bye bye. Happy Diwali again in advance.